Alright, hey, I have mixed up about 14 ounces of resin. This is medium viscosity, equal parts A and B, by volume, not by weight. So just measure out how many ounces for both parts. Mix it 6 minutes, continually scraping the sides and the stick. These are 2 new molds I got from Refloxy on Etsy, and I'll post a link below the video. I love the unusual shape, and I'm going to give it my first try at more of a geode looking coaster for these 2. And I'm going to do the 3D flower bloom with that. And I have, for the center of those, I'm going to put in these little plastic silver and crystal buttons, and I just cut off the back and touched it up with some silver paint. So that's going to go in the middle of both of these for the center. I'm going to be using some silver leafing. I'm going to mix up white with Cast and Craft, some white pinata alcohol ink, and sparkle white. I'll go ahead and be putting those in. For the black, I'm going to be using Blackbird from the Funshine Color Shop. Sparkle white is from Funshine. So I want some black shimmer, hopefully. And if not, I'll add some shimmer to it. The other I'm going to use is High Yo Silver by Funshine Color Shop. I put some silver leafing. I'm going to put more. Into a container that I'm going to just add some resin into. Then I'm going to add some black alcohol ink and silver alcohol ink and white alcohol ink to all 3. I like to put just a touch of alcohol ink into my mixtures. I've got my timer going because I am going to do a flower bloom type thing on these. I want to pay close attention to my time. Also going to set up piping bags. If I want to get any kind of control, piping bags are the way to go, or a plastic bag where you seal it and put a hole in the corner. I'm going to have less of the white than the other colors, so I'm using a smaller cup just to hold the bag in. Also, these are chrome silver plated glass large pieces, and I think I got them from Laura's Art Corner. I'll have a link below the video. So I put the chrome pieces in because they're heavy, and I want them to be kind of in the center base of the coaster. These both hold about 4 ounces of resin. The pink ones hold 2 ounces. I'm spastic with this silicone stirring thing. I do better with sticks. I was trying to use this to keep as many bubbles from being in it, because that's what they say, is the wood has a little tendency to help with bubbles, but I'm just so spastic with it. And I don't like the little stir sticks that are silicone or plastic that are shaped like an oval. I don't like those. I like to have really kind of just a very curved shape. It's been 20 minutes. I'm keeping an eye on my clock. These coasters are not real deep, so I'm going to have to try to cover them with some resin, the buttons. One more scoop of the Hyo silver, and I'm doing about 4 drops of alcohol ink. This is one where I should have put some alcohol ink in it to disperse it first. You can tell it's got some little clumping. Put black alcohol ink in it. Put one more scoop of the powder. Start rushing, and when I rush is when I make my mistakes. My resin has been mixed for 27 minutes, so I've got to pipe it here very, very soon. So I'm going to let that sit for a minute, and I'm going to go ahead and stir up the white. This is just white, sparkle white. I'm going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-ish drops of Cast and Craft and a little bit of alcohol ink. Just a bit more Cast and Craft. I like it really kind of opaque. So here they are. They turn out unique. I think these are really gorgeous. I love the cutout shapes. These are some of my favorite molds now. And then that was just leftover resin that was squeezed out at the last minute into a spare coaster. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.